In today's video, we'll be going over the SRX3 wireless headset and the flip to mute feature. The flip to mute feature is specifically for the SRX3 wireless headset. It does not work on the SRX2s. What the flip to mute feature means is the mic boom has to be in the all the way down position. If the mic boom is raised in any way, it will not hear the operator. What the operator will hear in return is good night, good night, good night. The mic boom needs to be in the all the way down position in order for the device to hear them. The reason for this feature is if an operator is picking and a supervisor comes up to them, they would raise this so it stops their work and the device does not hear them and get all that background noise. With this feature, you just put the mic back down and resume where you left off. There are parameters that technical support can provide that can disable this feature if you do not wish to use it. If you have any questions on the flip to mute feature, or if you have any questions on the SRX3 headset, please contact your Mountain Leverage support team.